Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super fun adventure. Imagine this, the cheerful blue Smurfs, those little guys from the enchanted forest, are about to step out of their mushroom houses and into a world of pure imagination. That's right, we're taking the Smurfs on a field trip to a massive toy factory. What kind of mischief and wonder will they find? Let's find out. Our story begins on a bright sunny morning in Smurf village. Papa Smurf, with his wise and thoughtful expression, gathers everyone around. He announces a special surprise, a visit to the human world, specifically to a place where dreams are built, a toy factory. Brainy Smurf immediately starts calculating the logistics. Hefty Smurf flexes, excited for a new adventure, and Smurfette claps her hands with glee, imagining all the amazing toys. Even Grumpy Smurf manages a tiny, almost unnoticeable smile. With a magical portal opened by Papa Smurf, they all hold hands and with a whoosh disappear from the forest. They reappear in a burst of sparkling blue light right in the middle of a colossal building. Their eyes go wide. All around them are mountains of colorful plastic, rivers of shiny paint, and conveyor belts carrying half-finished toys like a giant mechanical parade. The air is filled with the hum of machinery and the scent of freshly molded plastic. It's a stark contrast to their quiet, peaceful village. Clumsy Smurf, true to his name, immediately stumbles over a stray gear, sending a cascade of colorful marbles rolling across the floor, which makes everyone giggle. The Smurfs split up to explore, their curiosity getting the better of them. Hefty Smurf discovers the action figures section. He's amazed by the muscular heroes and mighty robots. He even tries to challenge a plastic knight to an arm wrestling match, much to the amusement of Jokey Smurf, who is busy placing his classic exploding gift boxes among the perfectly packaged toys on the shelves. Let's hope no one opens those. Meanwhile, Smurfette is completely captivated by the doll-making area. She watches, mesmerized, as machines stitch tiny dresses and paint delicate faces on beautiful dolls. She even finds a doll that looks a little like her, with a white hat and dress. She dreams of having a tea party with all of them. Vanity Smurf, of course, finds the mirror section and spends a good 10 minutes admiring his reflection in the funhouse mirrors, striking different poses. But where's Gargamel? You can't have a Smurf adventure without their arch-nemesis. As it turns out, Gargamel and his cat Azrael have sneakily followed the Smurfs through the portal. They're lurking in the shadows, disguised as factory workers, with a giant net ready. Gargamel cackles quietly, thinking his plan to finally catch the Smurfs is foolproof this time. He sees Brainy Smurf near the teddy bear stuffing machine and thinks he has his first victim cornered. Just as Gargamel is about to pounce, Brainy, lost in thought about the mechanics of the machine, accidentally presses a big red button. Suddenly the machine goes into overdrive. A whirlwind of soft fluffy stuffing erupts from the machine, burying Gargamel and Azrael in a massive comical mountain of white fluff. All you can see are Gargamel's pointy nose and Azrael's ears twitching in confusion. The Smurfs all burst out laughing at the sight. With Gargamel temporarily defeated, Papa Smurf decides it's time to head home. Before they leave, the factory owner, a kind old man who saw the whole thing, thanks the Smurfs. He was so impressed by their cheerful spirit that he gives each of them a miniature toy as a souvenir. As they step back through the portal, they wave goodbye to their new friend and the incredible world of toys. Back in their village, they share their stories, their tiny mushroom houses now decorated with miniature cars, dolls, and robots, a constant reminder of their amazing factory adventure. What a trip! It just goes to show that even the smallest explorers can have the biggest adventures. It also proves that a little bit of chaos and a lot of fluff can be the perfect recipe for foiling an evil wizard. Thanks so much for watching with me today. If you enjoyed this Smurfy story, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you in the next video. Bye!